welcome to my YouTube channels, and in this channel I will explain how to make Lego works, and I speak English as a second language, so please feel free to ask me some questions or comments if there is something unclear. Today I explain about this one, make a gift box. It is a so cute gift box with red ball. There are bricks which I will use today. Let's get started with creating box lid. The key point is to choose a round plate for the back of the lid. Decorate the lid with a bow. Choose jumper plate. Use red tile to create bow. Fill the top of the lid with tile. Use corner plate for the center of the ball. Like a flag of Switzerland. Use round brick and use round plate for the top of the ball. This brick will be the hanging strings. And this plate will be the length parts of the ball. It's done. This is a box lid. Next, this is the bottom of the box. Connect with each other by tiles. Use the bricks with the steps on the side, like this one. And fill in the wall of the box by white bricks. And use plate parts for the later. This is key point. And fill the wall by white bricks again. Use a plate with the steps on the side. And choose a plate. fill the wall by a flip white bricks again. Cover the top of the box with this plate, a solid tile parts, and these tiles with the side ribbon. Okay, finish. I would give your lovers as a gift. And thank you for watching my videos, and please subscribe my channels. Bye. See you again.